Hey guys, and welcome back to Mary J's Hauls. So today I wanted to talk to you about one of the biggest mistakes that I personally and I see other people constantly making with the print-on-demand space on Etsy. So in order to do print-on-demand with Etsy, you need to link it through Printful. Printful holds the inventory, ships the orders. Etsy is just the listing marketplace. Now you do create the listing in the Printful, but once it sends it to Etsy, one of the biggest issues that commonly happens, and I know it because it commonly happened to me, is not going into Etsy and making sure to publish that design. So today I'm going to walk you through a design, a super quick, super simple one, and show you how to go in and publish that design, because it's going to seem like it's there, but in reality, it's not actually active until you go into Etsy and edit it there. So we're going to come over to Printful, which is where you create the listing. Coming to Printful, we're going to do add product. Now let's just we'll do a t-shirt. Now my personal favorite is the Gildan unisex basic soft style t-shirt, Gildan 6400. Now another thing is they recently did have price increases. This shirt used to be $7 and something cents. Now it's $8.95. So I will do another video telling you all the items that have been price increased. Now I typically have 4 favorite products, and again, I will include that in another video, guys. But for today, we are just going to go through the publishing aspect of the Printful Etsy integration. So let's just come over here, guys. Like I said in one of my previous videos, I am obsessed with these eyeball graphics. I know it seems ridiculous. I even bought my own products. I do it through sample orders, which if you guys are unfamiliar with doing a sample order, you can basically get the product at the base cost and ship it to yourself. I personally do it for my friends, my family, because you get a certain amount of sample orders per month. So you save on shipping, you save on the markup cost. It's really, you're just paying the base cost of the product. So here you go. Here's one of my eyeball shirts. We're going to proceed to mock-ups. Now I love that Printful gives you all of these different styles that you can post the pictures in. Now I tend to choose the graphic that looks the biggest and stands out the most. So it's typically for me the flat mock-ups. Unless I'm doing some specialty item, then I might start tweaking it. I might even drag it into Photoshop and edit my picture there to make it look a little bit better. So we're going to proceed here. Now, the nice thing about Etsy that you cannot do on Amazon is you can load the title with keywords. In this instance, I'm not going to do it. I'm going to put fun Halloween shirt, crazy eyeball party shirt, eyeball rave shirt, Christmas gift. So pretty much in all of my listings, guys, I go ahead and say fun Christmas gift, cute Christmas gift, some kind of Christmas gift, because that allows for your all your products to be indexed on that word. So if people type into Etsy cute Christmas gifts, maybe it will come up. I'm not sure exactly if it will, but it can't hurt. I can promise you that. And what I typically do is copy the title, then come down into the description and paste it again, because why not, more keywords. Now they allow you to have 13 tags, and one thing that I like about doing the tags here in Printful space rather than Etsy space is you can have a notepad. Let's say you're doing cryptos. So you can have a notepad and write like Dogecoin token, Dogecoin crypto, Dogecoin gift, Dogecoin blank blank blank, and then when you go into your notepad, you can go Command F and then replace all the words with the new crypto that you're doing and copy and paste, and you can fill in this whole line with the 13 tags you're allowed to have. On Etsy, you have to do each tag individually, so it doesn't work with the copy paste so much. Now I upload a lot of listings when I do upload, and I will get to in another video what the pros and the cons of that are, because there really are some big pros and cons with that uploading a lot on the print on demand space through Etsy. So I'm not even going to do tags. I always do tags, guys, but in this case I am not going to do them, and that's pretty much all I touch on this page. I proceed to mock-ups. I always like the last number to be 99, so we're gonna keep it at that. But you typically want to change it out from this area. So let's say I want the increase to be $6.99. I don't know why it's because they changed the pricing. So it typically sets when you do it a lot, but they recently increased the pricing, so now I'm gonna have to figure out the cent amount in order to be able to make this 99 cents. So okay, forget that. My math is so bad today and I don't know why. Please don't judge me based on that. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead, submit it to store. I'm only doing this as a way of showing you guys. Now, while that is loading, which it typically takes a little while, I typically go in and add another product, do the same thing over again, and by the time I get back here, it will have this saying edit in Etsy. Now, the first few times I did this, I didn't even think about the edit in Etsy part. So once it goes up, I will show you guys what happens if you do not click the edit in Etsy. So if I come over here, I'm like, oh, it's done. I did my designs. I come over here, go to my listings, and it's not there, right? It's not there. So I realized that you have to be able to edit it in Etsy. Now you can either do that from this Printful page, or you can go to your Etsy listings, go to inactive. You can see, like I said, it's not inactive. You come over to the drafts. So if you do not publish it on Etsy or through Printful where it gives you the option to edit in Etsy, it will just sit in your drafts. And as you can see, I have a bunch here in my drafts, and part of that is due to the same issue that I had when I first started uploading, because I uploaded a lot of different designs all at once. But you would have to come in here and click this edit button. So it will bring you to Etsy's page. Now, the most important part of editing in Etsy is, number one, choosing whether you want it to automatically renew the listing or manually expire. For most of my designs, I typically say manual because Etsy allows for an easy interface of relisting them again once they have expired. Now, they do not alert you that your listing has expired, but it is very easy to find the listings that are expired, and it is very easy to republish them or renew them. Now, for designs that I think will continue to sell, I do click automatic, but there is issues with that, and I will talk about that in another video, guys. So the most important part is coming down here and making sure you click this Printful thing and clicking publish. Now you have to double click it because there's something weird with Etsy. And so then now that it's published, I can go over to my active listings and let's renew. And boom, there it is. So now I should be able to view it on Etsy, see what the listing looks like, you know, take care of everything. But overall, that is one of the biggest mistakes I currently see with the Etsy Printful integration, and people not knowing that after they publish it through Printful, they still have to publish it through Etsy. And there is two ways of doing that, like I said. One through Etsy in that draft listings, or the second way through Printful every other time you upload a product. So it's still allowing me to do it here. So I could also click here and it will take me to the same page it just brought me to. But as you just saw, I already checked Printful in the last on Etsy's side of things. So it's going to automatically know that it's been done. So there's definitely two ways of publishing on Etsy, but it is very important that you make sure you're actually publishing your listings, because I had so many listings sitting in my draft account just thinking that nobody wanted to buy them, but that was my mistake. So thank you guys so much for watching Mary J's hauls. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below, guys. Let me know your thoughts on Etsy, if you even started the Etsy print on demand, or if you need help getting it set up. I am happy to help. I have plenty of videos showing how to set it up. So once again, thank you very much. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day.